I'm Dr. Forfile, and I'll be answering your questions about the H5N1 virus here during this press conference that's around.
What is the virus H5N1?
So the virus H5N1, it's a pathogenic avian virus, what stands for bird flu, that causes serious outbreaks in domestic poultry.
What are the effects to this flu?
On people, it causes cough, fever, sore throat, muscle ache, headache, and shortening of breath. And then the worst scenario would be it can lead to death.
How is it possible for the virus in the animals to mutate and become a human pandemic?
So there's different types of viruses, and the most common viruses in human are H1, H2, and H3, but then there's the viruses H5 and H7 that they are in animals. So they are kind of the bad guys of the flu world, so that's why we don't want them in people. But when they start affecting people, they can acquire genes from the human influenza viruses, so they can mutate in a way that they become a human pandemic affecting people.
Where has this virus been reported?
It has been reported in different countries like Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia,